Hey, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of examples of prime factorization. If you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you watch that first. So the first one that I'm going to do is, let's do 120. So remember, we're using upside down division and we can only divide by prime numbers. I like to start with 2 if it's an even number, and this one is even. So you're just cutting it in half. Half of 120 is 60. You can also cut 60 in half. Half of 60 is 30. And again, you don't have to divide in any sort of order. So you might have picked 5 to divide by here, and that's okay. I'm going to divide by 3 here. I could have done 2. I could have done 5. 10, I can divide by 5, which gives me 2. And then 2, I can divide by 2, and that gives me 1. So again, if you worked this out, you might have these numbers in a different order, and that would be fine. You only have to put them in order when you write your answer. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, because there were 3 2's, times 3 times 5. Remember, it has to be in least to greatest order. And because there are 3 2's here, we can rewrite that as 2 to the third power, because that's 2 times 2 times 2. And this would be our answer. And if you were to multiply all these out, 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 5 is 120. So we know we got that correct. Okay, another one I want to show you is the prime factorization of 84. So again, 84 is even, so I can start with 2. Half of 80 is 40, and half of 4 is 2. So half of 84 is 42. 42 is also even, so I'm going to divide by 2 again, which is going to give me 21. 21 I know is 3 times 7, so I could divide by 7 here. And then I can divide 3 by 3, which gives me 1. And last, we put it in order, least to greatest. And because I have repeated numbers here, 2 times 2 is 2 to the second power. 2 to the second power is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times 7 is 84, which is what we started with. Okay, so that's how you do prime factorization with upside down division.